Hello everyone, I am Neela Pandya and you are learning communication skill with me. While learning about communication, we refer it as an information or idea passing from one person to another. Sometimes many of you misinterpret information as communication. This video explains what is information in communication. In terms of communication, information is expressed either as the content of a message or through direct or indirect observation. That which is perceived can be construed as a message in its own right, and in that sense, information is always conveyed as the content of a message. So, informations are facts, as communication is sending a message to another person. It may include information. For example, you get a news that your exam is postponed. This is an information. However, if you want to tell this to your friend, the process of doing it will be communication. You will be passing this information to your friend using the communication process. Or for example, your mom has cooked pasta for dinner. This is information. If she wants to pass this information to you, the process of doing so will be communication. The process of communication will include a sender, that is your mom, a receiver, that is you, and a medium. The medium could be over a phone, an SMS, or even talking. It could be in any language. Communication is a process in which something is being imparted, exchanged, conveyed, or otherwise transmitted. So, there is a particular purpose or a message that is intended in communication and in some respect an agenda. In contrast, information is more akin to knowledge, something that is gleaned through studying, researching, or even communicating. This information itself is shaped by the individual interpreting it, but it isn't necessarily biased by agenda. Information would be considered more along the lines of factual, whereas communication would be largely subjective. Along those same lines, it is possible to convey information to another person with the intent of communication, but without the proper method, the attempt becomes ineffective. Communication attempts to create an understanding of the subject of the message, whereas information does not necessarily have a purpose until one is created for it by someone who interprets it. Ultimately, communication is what creates purpose and meaning behind information. Without an effective method of communication, the dissemination of information would be much less effective in affecting change, raising awareness, or building consensus. Whereas one party may have information in the form of knowledge, in order to convey that information effectively to others, communication is the key that allows information to be transformed from the mind to one person by interpreting and stored as information in the minds of another. Clear? So this was all about information in communication. Until next, good luck to you all.